Okay, so hi Aryan, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. Thank you very much. How are you?
Okay, I'm also good here. First of all, now since it has been established now that you are among the 900 percentiles of CAT 2020, so this is a very proud moment for all of us here at IMS Chandigarh. And I, Kapil Bhandari, the Chief Mentor of IMS Chandigarh, would like to congratulate you and your family members on this stupendous achievement.
Thank you, sir.
So, how are you feeling now?
How much the wishes are mine, they are the same as for you as well, sir. It is due to your
Thank you, Aryan.
contributions as well.
So, what is your
Uh,
feeling?
yes, sir. So it hasn't really sunk in yet because I had city the next day and I still am getting calls and doing interviews. So I hadn't
Right?
expected this much calls and all. So yeah, it is definitely a special feeling. So
Okay.
yes,
So,
it is.
feeling like a superhero or what?
Yeah, I'm like, okay, if you'd like to call it that, then yeah, superhero. Like I am
You
getting enough
maybe
popularity for this.
from your place, because I can clearly relate it with you. I also come from town, from Jalandhar district, and I think still till date no other student has joined any IM. So I think
Yes, definitely.
for your town it might be a big news now.
Yes, so this is why like exposure is important. I think because I don't think anyone, let alone join IIM, I don't think anyone knew IIM. Like even this was the case
Yes.
with me joining BIT. So my undergrad is from BITS Pilani. And when I joined BITS Pilani, like people passed it off like, oh, it's an engineering college, will be private. So it's like, yeah, like I hopefully set a good precedent for my juniors from my city and like the area alike. So hopefully like we can like do better. Like you must be
Yes,
familiar
I just hope now you would be a role model for many in your town at least, right?
yes.
So how can you just describe your journey? How was your journey?
Yes, sir,
Day you
definitely.
thought that you will start preparation for CAT
Yes,
and
definitely, sir.
results came out.
So, sir, basically, like starting with my background, my mother is a master's in commerce, and my father is a businessman. So he owns a jewelry showroom in my hometown. So, like, I have always been exposed to the business side of things. But
Right.
like somehow I ended up taking non-medical as every like guy in tenth like ends up doing almost every other guy, and tenth ends up doing because I knew nothing. So it's like okay, let's take non-medical. उसके बाद देख लेंगे. So after that, like yeah, I had a chance to like be close to CAT when in plus two I was taking coaching in an institute in Chandigarh. So I happened to be
And I
flatmate
think
with
you need to be a bit louder.
okay, I happened to be hostel mate with Mr. Pramod Beri in my Chandigarh Times. So he is a 100% I of CAT 2017. If you remember,
Yes,
he
yes. He
also
was also our past student.
yes,
IMS past
that's what I
student.
was
Yes.
coming to. So, like when I saw him up close, oh, he till then I thought, okay, there are like superhumans who get 100% or something. So yeah, when like someone as close as like your postman gets it, so that means it is achievable. So I was in my first year when he actually took the CAT. We were no longer postmates, but yeah, we were still in touch. So and then in my second year, BITS has a very good system of allowing you to opt for minors. So I took up finance as my minor, and I really enjoyed studying it. Or maybe I got better grades than my engineering degree. So
Okay, okay.
naturally, my inclination was like, okay, let's try this. So come my third year, so I needed to get serious either for placement or CAT. So I chose CAT for it. And then like starting from I think I took my first mock incidentally on the day I think after the day of CAT 2019 results. So I was seeing results, so that motivated
Okay.
me. I took my first CAT. I think it was CAT 2017. So that was my first mock exam. So yeah, I started
Right.
my like if you see ask me, so I started my prep in January last year, but then I thought, okay, let me focus on my academics. But then after the lockdown happened, I started my serious prep from April and like super serious prep from September, if you ask me.
Okay. When you took your first mock from
Yes,
there, now till the actual result came out, because
yes,
I remember whatever little conversations we had,
yes, sir.
little in some small doubt at least that you were not sure whether it went
Yes,
that,
definitely. So,
and but still you were a constant more or less in the top 10 of IMS.
yes,
Yes, you are constantly scoring and sometimes you are also number one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means the journey was already very clear. Still, like how IMS help you in achieving your goal?
So obviously, like the thing with me was that yes, I think I knew I could do well, but like the question was, can I do well on the D-Day? Obviously, like I know I have no disrespect to IMS, but yeah, that I think is I got top 10, but yeah, no one would ask me if I didn't do well on the D-Day, right? You would agree to me. Yeah, IMS actually, and so when I start with when I took my first mock, I think I got somewhere in the 160s. That was I think 98 percentile in slot one in CAT
Not
2020.
bad,
So
not bad
yeah,
for a
yes,
first mock.
like I was just testing the waters. So
Mhm.
obviously, like when you get something like that, I thought, okay, I can get 99. But like when I took IMS and I took the SIMGAT, and so that like was like the closest to CAT, obviously. And then I got to know that yeah, I can do better. Like I was being like constantly like competing with 15,000 other students on a test which is very similar to the CAT, right? So that meant I could do it. So that gave me the confidence. Obviously, so you and the entire IMS Chandigarh team, they were constantly in touch. Unfortunately, we can't meet. We haven't met face to face yet. Yeah, would like
Yeah,
to sometime. But like through the CAT Target 100% group, like you and you were constantly sharing relevant information, webinars and all. So yeah, I was like I was not an active member of that, but yeah, I was like see, I was like Chupa Rustam sort of thing. That I was just seeing and okay, I was like yeah, this is good.
right.
So I was secretly like the guy who was joining all the stuff, and I was okay, yeah, it's good.
Okay, okay. Now, tell me one thing. Uh, you were preparing, okay, when you were let's say doing well in mocks and you're maybe mentally also you were balanced. Sometimes still after all the preparations, it so happens that in on the D day, or maybe I can, if you allow me, I can say the C day, the CAT day.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Many times students they have some anxiety or some panic attack due to which even after thorough preparation they might go wrong. So how would you suggest that many times we have been discussing that mental balance is very very important.
Yes,
So
sir.
that thing took shape.
Yeah, so I say that like anxiety is perfectly normal. Like if you aren't feeling anxiety, then you should be anxious. Then why aren't you feeling anxiety? Because
So,
this is
so
what
I would say
this,
like a true Punjabi. I
yes,
think
sir.
you had this feeling ki aan de koi nahi
Yeah,
dekhi.
sir, like if you ask my friends, I was like so cat was on 29th, right? So I think so it that means 1st November was Sunday. So I was starting on 1st November अब ले लो क्या करना है यानी बस get it done with okay. So I was seeing Nathan Lyon's interview of the Australian cricket team. So he has 370 test wickets to his name and still he feels nervous every test match. Like he has taken wickets
He
for
said that,
Kohli.
yes.
Yes. So this is perfectly normal. Like I said, if you aren't anxious, you should be feeling anxious. Then why aren't you anxious? So
Right, right.
like this is like how you want to channel it. Like in my on the actual DD itself, my VARC wasn't as good as expected. Like I told you, like I wasn't confident at all. This affected me for the first 5-6 minutes in the DILR section itself. But like the thing is, you just can't carry that baggage over on because it would have like DILR and QA were my scoring sections. So I had to like forget VARC and like fortunately my like guesses worked. So that's a different story. But like that mentality, like I called you after CAT, so that wasn't the mentality, right? I didn't
Yes,
know. I wasn't expecting it at all. So that was the mentality. But I had to forget about it. Like you have to you like there was speed distance question. I think it was the second or third question for my set. So I wasn't able to do it. But yeah, you will have to leave it aside and forget about it and move on to the next question. Like there are enough things to cause you anxiety. Like it can be something in your family. It can be like any other factor. It can be like personal, non-personal. Like you created it yourself. You didn't create yourself. But yeah, like you'll have to manage it. Like if you have like if it is facing you, there's no other option than to fight. There you can't flight. Like you have to either fight or flight, but flight is not an option. You'll have to fight only.
so I think coming from a person who has now achieved 100 percentile, it is looking
Mhm.
humble. But yes, see, actually, when you have written so many mocks,
Yes,
like
sir.
how many mocks, like out of 40 mocks of IMS, how
Yes,
many
sir.
actually wrote?
So I think I actually 42, sir. I'd like to correct because IMS actually gave us two extra marks for
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the new pattern. So
Yes,
I
yes.
took all the 17 proctored ones,
Okay.
and I think I took at least 10 of take home ones because I think I was taking them as sectionals because I actually had my internship going on, so I had to balance my time. So I took eight. I took 10 full at least. Later on, IMS had provided the option of taking them as sectional. So I was focusing in the later part of my like preparation. I was not focusing on the full mock. I was focusing on the strategy at least. Like you will have to fine tune it eventually. Like every serious preparant will like have to do that because I was underconfident in BARC. So okay, when one day I was studying BARC, so I was taking a BARC sectional. So other day I was doing something, trying something in DLR. Okay, a DLR sectional. So that was like how I proceeded.
So comfortably 25 plus mocks you
Yes,
wrote.
yes,
So,
definitely, sir.
so in a way, maybe, I don't know, that is my feeling. You can correct me if I am wrong. So maybe the actual cat was just like maybe another mock for you.
Obviously,
So
so
many mocks.
like there are two things which affect the cap. Like one is question pattern and question quality. Like question pattern, even question pattern was very close to it. So like there were I think 7 or 8 mocks in the new pattern. So that covered the entire range of possible like patterns. So yeah, like what like when I was there, like even though we didn't actually know the pattern, but it was sort of expected that they would have somewhere close to 72 to 76 questions, and there were 76 questions. So yeah, like there were people saying, oh, slot one will have a disadvantage, but yeah, fortunately I didn't feel like it because like I was prepared because of the mocks.
So eventually, I think the name we chose for our WhatsApp group,
Yes,
percentile, you
yes,
you
sir.
made it come true.
Yes, sir. It was lucky, sir. It was lucky.
Yes, yes. I
Yes.
think thumbs up to you too.
Thank
Eventually,
you.
because even we were aiming for, ki, let's name it in such a way that it should set some goals also for the student.
Obviously, I took it quite seriously.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And all credit to you for that. School,
Thank you, sir.
that
Same to you,
name
sir.
come true.
Yes.
Okay, so which is your dream B school? What do you
Yes, sir.
where do you aim to join?
So, heart says Ahmedabad and mind says Calcutta because Calcutta is the home for engineers. So, yeah,
Okay.
if I get both, that is a trouble I'd love to have that I get accepted from both. But yeah, they are both at the same level right now. So, I'll decide after the interviews which one is better.
And I wish and pray that you get selected by ABC and maybe FMS Auxiliary, and then you are in trouble. That trouble,
Yes, yes, sir. Definitely, I'd like to have that trouble.
yeah, yeah. And what do you plan to do after your MBA?
So, like, I told you I'm interested in finance. So I immediately after MBA, I'd like to like work in a finance related role, preferably investment banking. But mostly in the long term, my maternal side is a family of teachers actually. So my Nanaji is a triple MA and was a triple MA in social sciences. Even my Nani was MA, and they are both retired principals of government senior secondary schools. Even my one of my Masis is a Hindi teacher, and one of my Masis is a university professor in Sydney. And my mother myself herself is a teacher. So like carrying on that tradition somehow I was involved with an NGO in my college. So we taught underprivileged kids in a village nearby my college. So maybe I want to like do something in the education sphere, like when I am mature enough and when I am like financially stable enough. So maybe that's how I like to give back to my society.
So all the best for that journey, and I am very hopeful that that dream will also come true. And
Thank
our
you, sir.
is not over. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
At least I know of my record that all the students who have joined whichever institute, and I can guarantee you that if we take top 100 institutes of India, in each and every institute, I have a student or I had a student who are a pass out from that institute, and we will be very happy to list your name also in all
Thank
the
you, sir.
achievers. And Of course, one thing with one last note, maybe we can close this. Any message you have for maybe future CAT aspirants?
Yes, sir. As I told you, I started as a very normal guy in prep, and even like my graduation scores were very like demotivating. So I initially had a target of getting 99. So like slowly, the target moved up from 99.1 to 99.5 to 99.8. Like eventually, it came up to 100. So yeah, like you'll have to stay calm and like stay patient, and like it can like it is no big thing now for me. Like now I feel that yeah, everyone can do it because I did it. And yeah, like the thing is, you'll have to stay composed. Like as I told you, one of my like VARC section, it wasn't like that good. So yeah, you'll have to stay composed. Like things will happen. Like I had a mock score as low as 113, I think. So that was like I could have easily given up at that time. I could have taken up my placement. So yeah, I am still like in the placement season, but okay, I focus more on CAT. But yeah, you'll have to learn to not give up and use it like lesser scores for your motivation. Like you can do better, you can do better, you'll have to motivate yourself and you can achieve it. Yeah, all the best to everyone.
Right, right. Thank you, Anand. Thank you for your time, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Remember, a journey is not over.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, definitely. Like this is only
I think
30 or
more important
40% of the
stage,
thing. Obviously,
and
this is
then
only
we will be in touch. Don't worry.
yes, sir. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, we will meet soon. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, okay, Anand.